Morning, guys. Today we're going to talk about becoming a shepherd. What? Yes. In the year 2020 and beyond, I'll say it that way. Modern shepherding. Do you know that people are using drones to shepherd their flocks? Now, if that is something that you want to look into, you may discover that they're saying that drones work better than dogs. Now, I don't know if it's true. I don't know how many people are saying that, but some are saying that. And they just go out into the fields, bring the sheep back to clip their fur and all of that. Now, I do not have sheep. I do not have goats. I do not have camel. I have had goats in the past. And Clay has had goats in the past. But it's certainly something to look into. If you're young, you may want to consider looking into shepherding. It doesn't have to be your whole life. It can just be for a season. As a lot of things are only for a season. I have a really good friend that moved to Africa. She's a missionary to teach the people there how to raise goats. And she'll she's talked to me and different people about raising funds to buy a goat for the people in Africa. Now, there's all kinds of ways you can get into shepherding. Some people might take a missionary trip and teach people how to raise animals. Some people may, join the Peace Corps and that type of thing. Or maybe you just want to shepherd your small little flock at home and try drones and some of the different methods. But today I just wanted to kind of wave a little flag out there to give you a little update on some modern shepherding, some ideas. If you have a real big interest in raising goats and sheep and things like that, to kind of make you aware of some of the things that go on. There are shepherd schools and things like that. But pretty much if you love the outdoors and you like to, be with animals and take care of them and help them, because a sheep without a shepherd is lost. And if you love animals and that's something in your heart, you may want to look more into raising sheep with drones. You may be an inventor of sorts and may want to decide and work with drones with your farm more. You may find things that you never thought of. My dad did a lot of things in his life, and one of the things that he did, he was an inventor, and he would discover things and share things with other people that he discovered through the things that he did. He was an engineer, he owned a printing company, he just did a lot of stuff. And but anyway, that being said, I wanted to let you see what's going on in modern shepherding. But pretty much it's the same as it's been for years and years and years, because obviously you're out on the land, you're spending time with your animals, whether it's a small farm or a big farm, like we always say, big or small. You can be a backyard farm. But if that's of interest to you, just wanted to kind of throw that out there so you guys could learn a little bit more about the changes that are happening in farming and in life in general. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm.